faster. Going to the maximum. Going to the maximum. Going to the maximum. Bigger, bolder, faster. Going to the maximum. Bigger, bolder, faster.
I know why I chose to work with you guys. Like Candy and Catch Me are two very different pieces of art. The visual was nice. The story was done. And that still to this day is the most streams we've ever had.
So we get 5 million streams.
And the music is getting into some movies. We have 2 or 3 shows, one on Netflix, one on Amazon.
We were like, wow, this is exactly what we want in our music video. And these things make us upgrade, feel the cinematic feeling. You can go with them like this and like this.
Here I feel this connection real. That's why I would recommend you to other people. Yeah.
Thank you.